Good morning. It is Saturday, June 30th. So clearly it's Saturday. I don't have class. It's 9:18 in the morning, and me and all of my roommates are going to the beach today. So I'm waking up now, eating some breakfast. I don't know what it is, but it's close enough to Cocoa Puffs, and that's good for me. Around like 10:30, we're gonna leave, catch the metro, the bus, the other metro, I don't know. They know how we're getting there, I don't. But today is going to be a beach day. I will keep you updated. So we have made it to the metro station. We were just waiting for it to come. We took the bus to get here. It's just the four of us today, so it's me, there's Jessica, Maddox, and Megan, and we're all heading to the beach. I feel like I keep talking about all these people, but you haven't met them today yet, so I'm hoping that you'll get to meet them today if they want to be on camera. I don't know. We just got out of the taxi. The beach is right across the street, but we do have to cross like a bunch of lanes before we get there. It was only a short ways away from the metro, which was really good. And there was two ways we could have left the metro, two streets we could have gone on. And luckily someone saw us and that we looked confused and came up to us and was like, "Do you need help?" So we got some help from a friendly stranger, which was really cool, but now we're almost there.
Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves, and everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you.
We have made it to the beach. We were laying out for a little while, and it was really nice, very pretty. They had chairs. The only weird thing is that there's like no sand. It's basically all pebbles. But besides that, it's really pretty. We made it out to this little like rock peninsula basically, and we're taking some pictures out here. As you can see, they're over there. But this is just so pretty. The water is crystal clear and there's lots of waves, which I was kind of surprised by. But this area over here is just so pretty. There's all these rocks and just like beautiful views of the ocean, and you can see the islands across the way. I have no clue what islands those are, but they're so pretty in the distance. So we are going to continue venturing in this area for now.
We go fast with the games we play. Who knows why?
Now,
hey guys,
it is time to meet everyone that really does exist. So we are going to start off over here.
Hi guys. Are you gonna introduce me or do I do it myself?
You can introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Maddox and I'm from Kentucky. I'll be a senior at UF in the fall, and yeah, that's about it.
Hi, my name's Megan and I'm from Kentucky, and I'll be a senior at Eastern Kentucky University in the fall. Hey, I'm Jessica. I'm from Charleston, South Carolina, where I study biochemistry to become a doctor.
It's gotta be this way.
So where we're walking walking on this little peninsula-like thing. I'm pretty sure they're setting up for a wedding, which is going to be so beautiful because the water is surrounding every side, and the water is such a pretty blue, sorry my words. It just looks like it's gonna be so pretty, and for anyone who wants to marry me one day, this is the place to do it. So we got back from the beach a few hours ago. We kind of rested up, and now we're heading up. We're heading up the street, and we're gonna head over to the main square area. We're probably gonna all get some ice cream or gelato or something. I kind of just want pizza. Ooh. That's what we are doing right now. So yeah. Look, there she is. There they all are. Real life.